We believe the SleepPro Custom is going to give you and your sleep partner the best night's sleep you've had in ages. When you buy the SleepPro Custom, what you get in the package is mailing instructions, directions on how to get the best fit for the Stop Snoring Mouthpiece, as well as impression materials. Use a mouthpiece to make sure the snoring stops, and then you put impression material into that mouthpiece. You can make sure that the snoring will stop before you actually send it away. Now, what we have found out is that many people who have used the SleepPro Standard have been so happy with the results from that they decided to move up to a better, longer-term solution to their snoring problems. We believe that the SleepPro Custom is one of the best user self-help fitted stop snoring mouthpieces available on the market. Make your own impression, send it to our laboratory, which is in Europe, so you'll get the ultimate in fitting, and when the product is returned, you'll get the very best in comfort, fit, and durability.